저희가 오늘 트레이더조 갔다 왔거든요. 트조에서 이제 이것저것 새로 나온 것들 샀는데 이제 저희가 추천템, 비추천템 리뷰를 할게요. 이렇게.
Crunchy curls.
되게 헬디한 맛. 헬디한 맛. 근데 약간 짭조름도 해.
No, it's good.
괜찮아. 오케이.
Definitely older people like this.
이거 새로 나온
Right,
거야.
the TraderJoe sells the everything bagel seasoning, and now this one, I guess they use that same seasoning. It has a lot of garlic and onion taste, but I like it. It's not salty at all.
Oh, so good.
Wow, it is good.
이거 진짜 맛있다. 이렇게 생겼어.
Something's missing.
비추, 비추.
Yeah. Smell it. I can smell that pepper.
No spicy.
No, the aftertaste is spicy.
근데 여기에는 어니언하고 갈릭 냄새가 별로 안 나지. 여기는 약간 그냥 매운맛.
Tortilla chips from Trader Joe's. Habanero, is it habanero? Ghost pepper salsa. So it's gonna be really hot.
It's good. No,
Yeah,
not really. Yeah, spicy.
It's very spicy.
Yeah.
I don't want that much.
Not bad, right? 아니 근데 그 정도는 아니야. 진짜 먹을만해.
Very healthy option for people who has allergies to gluten or people who doesn't want to, I guess, eat corns. This is really good option. But it tastes not bad. It's good.
I like this sauce. 이거 진짜 맛있어.
너무
너무 맛있어. I like it.
뭐. Drink it.
Next
Drink
time.
it.
Next
Thank you
time.
so much. Pita Bites crackers.
Healthy.
Very healthy. Which is, you know, what I like. My tea.
이것도 새로 나온 거더라.
First of all, lemon cream, not my favorite. However, I'll try it.
맛있는데? 뭐 레몬 플레이버.
No, it's really good though. Rocket cracker. That was right. It tastes like goldfish.
Yeah?
It's less saltier than the goldfish. So I think it will be good for kids.
모비띠를 바꾼? 뿌려봐. Not bad.
Oh, this is good actually.
With this. 그치? 이거랑 같이 먹으니까.
Hi, Sophie.
Your husband?
Sophie.
추천.